So you can see this is 31-inch chest of this sample. Dummy chest is 35. Okay, means 4-inch shorter than the dummy. The sample which we select for buyer, measured properly, that sample will not be checked on dummy, because when you check the sample on dummy, the specs will go here and there. So always sample which is going to buyer is not going to be fitted on dummy for knits. Neck shape has to be symmetric. Cannot be like this. One side is like this and one. So this sample, so the neck shape and the neck rib has to be even. This neck rib height should be even all around. Okay, and neck shape. And after this, we have to see there is no drags over here on shoulder. Everything is fitting nice. And since this is raglan, so we have to see this is the center, and they are both sides, they are on equal placement. It should not be one is going like this and one is coming like this. So this one, so that is called center out. When neck is not in center, while attaching the rib, also we have to put 4 notches to meet, to mark and meet that. If you don't meet that, then one side is bigger and then one side is smaller. So if again at armpit is going high, obviously we have to see this is perfectly fine. If it is tight, then if chest is tight, then you can see this drags. Okay, so there is no drags here, there is no fullness here, this is quite loose here. So, and after this we have to see the side seams. Again, side seam should fall. You can see this is coming on exactly on seam, and then we have to see any looseness or any looseness on across back. And sometimes here also has like this, sometimes like this. So this is not okay. So we have to adjust the pattern. So this should fall straight. Lot of garments ladies wearing and they have like this crumple, right? So this is not okay. So in this pattern we have kept this side seam on back panel is half an inch to 5/8 shorter than the front, and then while attaching it is being pulled. When we pulled it, so half an inch to 5/8 extra fabric goes down. Okay, so now you can see after this the side seam of this is also matching. Here also at waist also is matching, and this chest also is matching with the seam. Now leveling, we have to see okay, this gap here is 1/4 and here is 3/4. So front is not hiking, as we have kept this almost 3/4 longer than the back shirt is, right? So while we're visualizing from here to here, you can see, oh, this is perfectly fine. If we don't keep like this, the hiking, so this is called hiking. If it is too high and this is going down, so this is called hiking.